Meaning of duet.
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 Duet. Duet refers to a musical composition or performance featuring two performers, usually singing or playing instruments together in harmony. The term can also be used more broadly to describe any collaborative effort between two people, such as a dance or conversation. Duet performances require careful coordination and cooperation between the two performers to create a cohesive and harmonious experience for the audience. The result is often a beautiful and memorable display of teamwork and mutual understanding between the performers.